This video will cover the project management area of the Strategic Portfolio Management application. The project workspace allows project managers to define, plan, and track multiple projects. The project workspace is configurable and filterable. Configure the specific project details shown in the cards and filter which projects are listed. Let's open an existing project and take a tour. This project has 5 phases and is currently in the first phase, initiating. The phases, top-level information, and tabbed information are all configurable. For instance, you may want to add specific fields containing data around how the project is measured or a link to the shared project folder. Additional project details can be broken up into tabs. The Details tab shows information like execution type and phase, while the Preferences tab shows how a time card is calculated. Under the Related Links area, we can also apply templates to this project. For example, the PMO template. Under Planning, you can manage tasks. Let's switch to the new project workspace, which contains updated functionality. A baseline, like this one, is a snapshot of the current plan's start and end dates. Using baselines, we can see if the task dates have shifted. To manage the project tasks, we can create a new baseline. Turn an existing task into a child task, or create a new task. We need additional resources to work on our project. Under Resources, we can request an entire group of people, a specific person, or anyone assigned to a role. We will request a group, and then enter the number of hours. Able Tutor was already requested to work on the project. Let's confirm and allocate him. The top of the Financials area shows the roll-up costs. And under that is a group of tabs, including a quarterly overview. Under Cost Plans, we see a more detailed view of expenses. We need to purchase computers for the project. Go to the Cost Plans tab and add a new expense. Then enter the cost, the quantity of the items, the fiscal period, and cost type. Then submit. The total project cost increased by $3,000. Finally, let's create a status report to share with the team and stakeholders. The status report automatically pulls information from the project. We'll indicate that we're on schedule and add a progress note for the week. To get started using project management, navigate to Project Workspace. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.